Good morning everyone, welcome to this week's kitchen design tip. This week we're going to be talking about the different materials people use for their worktops, particularly stone. In our experience there is two main types of stone that are most popular when designing a kitchen. Number one is quartz and the second one is granite. You may hear over in the States a lot of people use marble. It's not very widely used in the UK and we certainly don't recommend that. Let's start off with the first one of these, and that would be granite. Now, granite is a natural stone. What you see here is exactly how it comes out of the ground. It's then been cut and polished. Now, the thing about granite is it is firstly beautiful in my opinion, and because it's natural, every single piece is different, so you've got a very, very unique worktop. One of the things to remember with granite is that when you are choosing granite, the sample you see in any showroom is not necessarily the same as the pattern you will get. So it's always wise to ask to see the slabs that will be used on your kitchen beforehand, or if you have a chance to travel to the actual fabricators, to actually go there and choose the slab that you want to be used, or slabs that you want to be used inside your kitchen. Some of the real positives of granite are of course that natural beauty and the fact that your worktop will be unique. The fact that it is like that means nobody else is going to have the same one. The downside of granite is the fact that it is a porous material. What that means is that if you spill something on there, it will soak into the material and can stain. So you may have heard in the past people who've had lighter granite worktops have spilt things like turmeric or beetroot or red wine onto their worktops and it's stained. There are cures for that now. There are treatments out there, so something called dry treat, or you've got sensor granite, which is made by Cosentino, which actually comes treated already. That means you don't need to do any maintenance with this, and it does have the properties of quartz. It is more water and stain resistant. The second type of stone, and definitely the most popular stone used when we're selling kitchens, is quartz. So here you can see a quartz with a very subtle pattern. Quartz is man-made. So it is taken, lots of different stones are ground down and essentially put together with resin to actually create the pattern. The positives of that are the fact that it's very, very stain resistant. What you see in the showroom is exactly what you will get, so you don't need to go and choose any slabs. The pattern is the same throughout all of the slabs. It can come in a range of different thicknesses, whereas granite generally only comes in 20 or 30 millimeters. With quartz, it can come in 12, 20, 30 millimeter thicknesses. There are different types out there and there are some other thicknesses as well. It's also not as brittle as granite, so it is a stronger material most of the time. One of the things people generally love about quartz is how cost effective it is. On the average kitchen it can be less than a very beautiful granite. So when you're thinking about your kitchen worktop, just think about what's going to be right for you. Do you want to put in the maintenance and be looking at that kind of maintenance when you're looking at a granite worktop, or do you want something you can just forget about and not have to worry if you spill anything on there? Have you got kids running around who are spilling stuff all the time? And ultimately, what kind of look do you want? Do you want something that's simple, clean and crisp, or do you want that kind of natural beauty that you get from a granite worktop? Well, that's all for me for now, but we'll see you next week with next week's kitchen design tip, and I'll speak to you soon.